got telecast and
Yeah.
you guys were outside together,
Yeah.
but the world didn't
Yeah.
know about you till then.
Yeah. So उस time पे भी I used to like say this to Yogesh oftentimes that see the episode with me, watch it with me. So he's like, no, it's gonna get awkward. And I'm just like, no, I can't even share this feeling with somebody else. You're my guy, right? Like if I watch it with you, I'm gonna make faces or something like that. You're gonna hug me, and it's gonna be fine for me. For me to know that you're there. But he started avoiding me. So I was like, you know what? Go. I don't need you anymore. If you're going insane, seeing how your couple and Yogangsha is busted, and तुम दोनों भी नहीं, like particularly you, I don't know what happened to him. He was spiraling. I don't know what. Something changed.
Spiraling in what way?
I don't wanna bitch about him, but like you know, like उनका बहुत हो गया. Like fans started loving Yogangsha a lot, extremely lot. Okay, so I don't know what happened. He was like, "Okay, this is happening." Now he doesn't follow Yogangsha because obviously मुझे अजीब लगेगा. And I guess जाते जाते Yogangsha ने अस्मिता को बोला था कि योगेश तो मुझे follow करेगा, मुझे पता है. But क्या मुझे उसको follow करना चाहिए, follow back करना चाहिए, something like that. I got to know. And जब मुझे ये पता चला ना, I was like, योगेश, don't. ये तो लाइक बहुत वो हो गया कि क्या मैं करूँ कि नहीं करूँ. Say again, it was your fault or whatever. So योगेश also did not follow. He was like कि अगर आकांक्षा follow करेगी तो मैं करूँगा. दोनों साइड से ये था. And to be honest, I was being understanding of that also. तो फिर ये सब चीज़ें हुई तो उनका हुआ नहीं. उनके बाद उनको पता आगे तो कुछ anyways मैं आ जाऊँगी तो क्या ही होगा. So this all happened and but lives पे कभी वो रुका नहीं. And lives पे I feel like सामने से भी reciprocation था. ऐसा नहीं था कि आकांक्षा नहीं कर रही थी. आकांक्षा was also smiling, she was also blushing. Just before my entry एक हफ्ते पहले the happiness turned into something, turned into sadness. कि अगले हफ्ते में सब बहुत बुरा होने वाला है. और उससे तब तक like both of them I feel both of them were blushing on lives. They were doing whatever. And then Saurabh Bedi, Gullu, many more people, they were like shipping Yogesh and Akanksha, knowing the fact that I'm still there sitting.
That hurt you? Did you bring it up with Yogesh? Did you bring it up with Saurabh and Gullu? Are you feeling okay? It's okay. Just remember one thing. मेरी मम्मी एक चीज़ बोलती है जरूर, जो मैंने अपनी जिंदगी में सीख लिया है.
हाँ.
ये मेरे ब्रेकअप के बाद ही हुआ है. दो चीज़, एक फनी बोलूंगा और एक डीप बोलूंगा. कौन सा वाला पसंद है?
Funny please.
तो मेरी मम्मी बोलती है